So I think when you're studying in this field and when you read a lot and when you think a lot, you might eventually end up finding.
I'm not emphasizing on the fact कि coding is must. I'm just emphasizing कि logic देखो, तुम घर बैठे बैठे application से खाना order कर रहे हो, वो क्या है? It is a code which has been presented in a very best manner.
It obviously limits you when you take humanities, but it also opens a lot of options, and people don't really know about those options.
Because they know how to build a thing and eventually sell them.
So there was this day I was studying about capitalism and it led me to some startup.
Okay.
You know, just capitalism to a startup and to how it works. And eventually you find out, okay, there's this vacuum.
Okay, what are the other options? I have no clue. I have no clue about this.
Other options as in? Other than this, do you think? So, see, you can go for law, obviously.
What's so obvious about going to law after pursuing humanities?
You can obviously go for law.
That can happen after every
anything.
stream. After every stream.
Speaking generally, ज़्यादातर लोग जिन्हें लगता है, जैसे for example for me, I took humanities because एक तो interest उन subjects में,
ठीक है.
दूसरा I always had in my mind कि ठीक है, I'll be pursuing law and this option seemed quite fit to me. I can always pursue law and I can always pursue what do you call that, journalism if I want to. It opens many options. It's not like it obviously limits you when you take humanities, but it also opens a lot of options, and people don't really know about those options.
For example, journalism is one.
Journalism and law are very
journalism,
common options.
ये तो बहुत common है.
See, there are institutes like TISS.
Tata Institute of Social Sciences.
Yeah. They're offering various courses. There's one IIT who's offering some courses in the social sciences.
So TISS है Tata Institute of Social Sciences in Mumbai.
Yeah. And there's this IIT. I'm not sure which one, but it's offering something. Also, I think IIT Kharagpur offers some course, if I'm not wrong.
IIT.
ये fact check कर लेना before.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Yeah. So we do have options. It's not like पूरा limited है.
But don't you think? So मेरे according, what divides streams, what divides people, what divides students is not the general mentality. General mentality, it arose because the students who took science. So it's a long story. It's a long, but I'll try to manage it into one para. Once I take science. And if I am a good seller, let's say I am a good seller, I am the king.
Agreed.
It's not an unknown fact कि people from IIT Delhi, major colleges, major engineering colleges, they only go out and get on to bring the world's most innovative startups because they know how to build a thing and eventually sell them. बट सेलिंग से मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट देखो मेरे लिए तो 50% सेलिंग है 50% प्रोडक्ट बिल्डिंग है बट प्रोडक्ट बिल्डिंग इज द फर्स्ट लेवल selling is still second level, product building is first level. For example, let's say you know how to build an application, you know how to code, you make an application, you don't know how to sell it, you can give it to somebody else or you can bring in a partner in a firm and go on. पर कॉमर्स और ह्यूमैनिटीज वालों के लिए मेरे को पता है टॉपिक काफी इधर उधर जा रहा है, सेलिंग रह जाती है, प्रोडक्ट बिल्डिंग तो रह ही नहीं जाती बिकॉज यार अभी का टाइम ले लो ना, यू डोंट नो कोडिंग, यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग. आई एम नॉट एम्फसाइजिंग ऑन द फैक्ट कि कोडिंग इज मस्ट, आई एम जस्ट एम्फसाइजिंग कि लॉजिक देखो, तुम घर बैठे बैठे एप्लीकेशन से खाना ऑर्डर कर रहे हो, वो क्या है? इट इज अ कोड विच इज बीन प्रेजेंटेड इन अ वेरी बेस्ट मैनर. बट पॉलिसीज की अगर मैं बात करूं, पॉलिसीज प्रोसीजर्स, यू माइट से कि यार गवर्नमेंट कौन चला रहा है ह्यूमैनिटीज वाले, कॉमर्स में आर्ट्स कौन वो कर रहा है? अच्छा यू टेल मी.
नहीं, बट आई थिंक व्हेन इट कम्स टू पीपल ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटीज, आई थिंक दे हैव द कैपेबिलिटी टू बिकम अ प्रोडक्ट देमसेल्व्स.
And what kind of product? What kind of product? Are you talking about politician, being a politician, being a public speaker?
Being a politician, being a public speaker. I mean, there are people like Ben Shapiro. They're great philosophers. There are great psychologists, great speakers, and then you employ engineers and other people to build up apps and stuff to promote yourself. Getting where I'm going. So it's not like you have to be the product builder. You can become a product yourself. it gives you that opportunity. I mean, when you are in a field like humanities, you obviously get a lot of time and also get a lot of assignments in which you're supposed to just think and develop thoughts. Getting where I'm going.
Is this somewhat related to nation building, or is this in general?
No, it's in general. It's not. I mean,
like through me an example. मतलब कुछ भी ऐसे कोई कौन सा assignment है जिसमें you thought कि यार ये तो मेरे को काफी सोचना पड़ रहा है. It's very interesting. You enjoyed doing that.
See, I think I'll be speaking up in regards to my own course. When you're studying in general, आप concepts पढ़ते हो, आप political theories पढ़ते हो, आप ये सब पढ़ते हो, and you eventually start thinking about things. तो बहुत चीज़ें होती हैं. When you, for example, when you're studying about capitalism, it's a wide spectrum. It's not just you're studying the theory of it or you're studying the applications of it. When you go into details, so there was this day I was studying about capitalism, and it led me to some startup.
Okay.
You know, just capitalism to a startup and to how it works, and eventually you find out, okay, there's this vacuum. You know, there are a lot of startups just producing services. See,
okay.
And that service, it was a vacuum.
Vacuum means
there was product and there were buyers.
There is a need. There is a need. Vacuum का यहाँ पे मतलब है कि कोई need है जिसको fulfill करने के लिए कोई service बनाई जा रही है.
So I think when you're studying in this field and when you read a lot and when you think a lot, you might eventually end up finding various vacuums, which I think you can also build up a potential in yourself to fill. And I think that's how you make your place in the market.
You are saying कि ability to think and ability to interpret is the foremost skill or the foremost.
Yeah, that can take you very much forward.
Very much forward.
Yeah.
And not necessarily. I mean, there is always a combination of things that are going to, you know, favor you or be against you. तो obviously. तो you are saying कि ठीक है बना लेंगे product, उसको बेच भी देंगे, उससे पहले सोच तो लो है क्या, नीड क्या है, नीड गैप एनालिसिस तो करो. वो ह्यूमैनिटीज वाले अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. नाइस, एब्सोल्युटली राइट. डोंट यू थिंक ग्लोबलाइजेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट अब बहुत ज़्यादा बूम कर जाएगा बिकॉज वी आर सिटिंग हेयर इन सानपुर एंड वी कैन केटर टू पीपल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. पहले क्या हो रहा है कि भाई सारे एक छोटे लेवल की मेंटालिटी बताता हूँ, सारे कह रहे हैं भाई प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड. यहाँ पे लोगों को B2C B2B नहीं पता, लिटरली नहीं पता. प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड, भैया दुकान खोलेंगे 10 करोड़ की, बेचना शुरू. अब लोगों को समझाने लग गया नहीं भाई घर बैठे बैठे भी पैसे कमाए जा सकते हैं. तो वो ग्लोबलाइजेशन वाला जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन इन लाइक 2 or 3 lines?
See, I think it's basically globalization and localization.
लोकलाइजेशन का एडिशन कर दिया.
हाँ, और अगेन जब आप कैपिटलिज्म की बात करते हो और जब इतना एक्सपैंड हो रहा है, Amazon और ये सब चीज़ें मतलब ऑब्वियसली आ गई हैं, तो आई थिंक दीज डेज इट्स बिकम वेरी ऑब्वियस कि बढ़ता ही जा रहा है ग्लोबलाइजेशन एंड यू वोंट बी एबल टू स्टॉप इट. जहाँ हमारी गवर्नमेंट लोकल प्रमोट कर रही है, जब लोकल इतना प्रमोट हो रहा है एंड इट्स ऑब्वियसली गोइंग टू ग्लोबल लेवल्स, सो मतलब आई थिंक इट्स प्रीटी मच ऑब्वियस दीज डेज.